In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut shapes in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill that can elevate your presentation design, allowing you to create custom shapes and layouts that precisely fit your visual storytelling needs. Let's dive in and learn how to seamlessly subtract one shape from another to craft a more personalized presentation. To begin, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have the PowerPoint application installed and ready to go. Once you've opened it, proceed to the presentation you want to edit. If you haven't already created a presentation, you might want to open a new one and add a few shapes so you can follow along. Now, when you're in your presentation, it's time to select the shapes you wish to modify. The crucial point here is selection. You need to select both of the shapes you want to work with. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each shape. This allows you to select multiple shapes simultaneously. When both shapes are selected, you should see small handles or outlines around each shape, indicating they are ready for further action. Next, navigate to the top of your PowerPoint window and find the Shape Format tab. This tab contains all the tools you'll need to edit and customize your shapes further. Click on Shape Format and you'll notice the ribbon expand with various options for shape manipulation and design enhancements. Within the Shape Format tab, direct your attention to the Merge Shapes tool. This tool is a powerful feature that grants you the flexibility to modify how shapes interact with one another. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will display several options. Here, you want to look for and click on Subtract. The Subtract option is what makes one shape cut into or out of the other, essentially subtracting the top shape from the bottom shape. It's quite a versatile tool for designers as it enables the creation of unique custom shapes by removing unnecessary portions of overlapping shapes. And there you have it. With this technique, your creative potential is significantly boosted, allowing you to design shapes that align perfectly with your presentation's theme and visual narrative. As you experiment more with these tools and techniques, you'll discover new ways to enhance the impact of your presentations, all by simply merging and subtracting shapes to create innovative custom designs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on cutting shapes in PowerPoint. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to explore the endless possibilities of shape manipulation within your presentations.